Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sky Tutorials. I am Akash. Today we are going to discuss about environmental issues, mainly air pollution and water pollution, their cause and effect upon environment. We will also discuss about different measures for controlling the same. Let's get started. So what does environmental pollution means? It means the contamination of air, water and land by addition of substances known as pollutants. Pollutants are those substances which causes pollution. When these substances are added in environment, they cause pollution by degrading the quality of the things in which they are added. It is a serious problem of the industrialized nations like India. There are 5 types of pollution, namely air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, radioactive pollution respectively. Air pollution refers to the undesirable change occurring in air causing harmful effects on man and domesticated species. The common air pollutants are dust, smoke, carbon monoxide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen fluorides, chlorines, aldehydes, ozone. CO2 is not a normal air pollutant. There is 0.03% CO2 in the air. Its higher percentage is the cause of greenhouse effect, which is responsible for global warming and melting of polar ice caps. Now we will discuss about types of air pollutants. Air pollutants are of 2 types. Primary air pollutants, and the second one is secondary air pollutants. So what are primary air pollutants? Primary air pollutants include poisonous gases and undesirable substances. They are released by burning fossil fuels. These substances are called primary air pollutants. This include soot released from unburned fuel, sulfur dioxide, benzopyrene released from cigarette smoke, ammonia, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, lead. Now what are secondary air pollutants? Secondary air pollutants are poisonous substance formed from primary air pollutants. For example, in bright sunlight, nitrogen, its oxides, hydrocarbons and oxygen interact to produce more powerful photochemical oxidants like ozone, panaldehydes, sulfuric acid, peroxides, etc. All these constitute photochemical smog, which retard photosynthesis in plants. Now we will discuss about causes of air pollution. Major sources of air pollution are industries, automobiles and domestic fuels. The combustion of petrol and diesel in automobiles releases harmful gases into the air. High proportion of undesirable gases, such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Dust includes cement dust, foundry dust and windblown solid dust, mist, smoke, carbon black, aerosols. Aerosols are small particles of all sorts of solid or liquid substances suspended in the air. They block the stomata of plants and prevent the gaseous exchanges between plants and atmosphere. Next we have effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects almost every living and non-living being as it causes various human health issues like asthma, bronchitis etc. Like humans, animals also get affected due to air pollution. Stomata of plants get blocked due to air pollutants causing hindered exchange of gases. As a result, plant dies. It affects the atmosphere as a whole, causing plethora of problems such as global warming, ozone depletion, acid rain etc. Now we will learn about how to avoid air pollution. Yes, we can avoid pollution as follows. Use natural gases. Like LPG, it stands for liquefied petroleum gases. It's less polluting and safe as compared to other fuels. Do not burst crackers as they emit large amount of poison. Use less amount of fuel for vehicles. Go green by using electrical vehicles or use biofuels. Avoid burning fossil fuel and wood as fuel and use electric stoves or biogas if possible, as burning of fossil fuels cause emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Check your progress. Define pollution. Name various types of pollution. Water pollutants. Name few air pollutants. Classify air pollutants. How will you control air pollution? That's all for now.